So we start off today's video with this big chop transformation. It's like the stylist is doing a bob haircut for this one. Oh, so she actually did like a nice pixie haircut for this. This is a style that is in between a pixie and a bob. Absolutely stunning transformation, and this is a great length if you're looking to go short but not too short. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out a variety of hair transformations. Now here we do see a pixie haircut change. Beautiful long bangs in the front. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. She looks beautiful. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, for those who are looking to add some volume in your hair, this is a great hairstyle to try. We're seeing many different variations of the layered look this season. Her hair looks so bouncy and flowy. Absolutely incredible. So next up, we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting some color. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, she also did the layered hair trend. I love the color, and the curtain bangs frame her face perfectly. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation from today's video is your favorite. Are you feeling inspired by any of these major hair changes? So here we have someone with curly hair. Looks like the stylist is adding some layers to the curls. and then giving the hair a nice blowout. Wow, once again, so much volume. Gorgeous. And what's nice about this haircut is that when she does wear her hair curly, it is going to have more of a layered look to it, as well as when she wears it straight. So we have another layered hairstyle with lots of volume. And then he did do some fringe bangs in the front of this particular style. And then we see someone with copper colored hair, beautiful hair shade. Hopefully she doesn't do anything to the color. Oh, looks like she's getting a pixie. Wow. So happy that she is not touching the color. So it looks like she has a nice Peter Pan style pixie, a little bit of spikiness in the texture, choppy layers mixed in there. But this is absolutely gorgeous. She looks amazing. So I hope you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.